Hello Vlogmas people, it is day 2nd of December. Today we are going to be going into town, into central London to do a little bit of shopping and to look at some Christmas lights. But before that I'm up early as usual and I have managed to trim the edges of my PDF pattern and I'm just going to try and tape those together and see when my husband gets up, we'll take it from there. Just check out the size of this sleeve. You're probably not going to get the context. This is my hand. This is how giant the sleeve is, and I love it. One of the big things that appealed to me about this pattern is it has some really beautiful big gathered statement sleeves, and this is ginormous in a wonderful way, and I think the linen is going to really give it structure, and I think they're going to look really dramatic. Hopefully not too crazy, but I think it's going to be really fun. I have finished taping all that together. I am going to also just cut out what I think is going to be my right size for this one. I'm expecting to have to do a lot of alterations and I'm planning to do some muslins on this one. There's no darts in the bust area and I'm just not sure if it's going to fit me very well out of the box, but I'm going to try it as it is. But before I do that, I want to open my advent calendar. So I'm going to try and do this overhead because last time it was really awkward to try and do it whilst I was holding it. So hopefully this will work a little bit better. All right, day 2. I feel really bad at doing this. I can't seem to get the little thing back out. Oh, hopefully you can work out what this is. Again, I got 3 labels of the same. It's got a little gold hand and it says handmade, or it says made because it's handmade. Very fun and nice and sparkly. I think that one would be really cute for gifts as well, actually. Love it. So Phil and I are heading into town. We're going into central London. We're going to Hamley's, a toy shop, and we're gonna stop into Liberty. It should be fun.
Christmas. Okay, bye.
we are on our way back home. That was really fun. I have to say the lights are always so much more impressive in person. I knew they were going to be good, but the lights of Regent Street with the angels and Oxford Street with the stars were really cool. We went into Hamleys. So Hamleys is giant. I don't know if you got that impression, but it's like 6 floors. It has so much stuff. The staff in that place are fantastic. They're so interactive with the kids. It's really cool. And then we got our little sneak peek into Liberty. I didn't buy anything, I was good, but I did buy a toy for my friend's son in Hamleys. But it was overall a nice trip into London. We're heading back home. It is cold. I have to say it's probably in the 30s Fahrenheit, lower, like, I don't know, 4 degrees Celsius, something like that. It's cold, so we're gonna get in and have some soup because past Teresa really looked after myself today. I had some leftover banana bread for breakfast. We've got leftover soup and bread for dinner, and I didn't even have to do anything but heat it up. So life is good. Looking forward to getting in, but it was a fun day out. So we're back home all warm and cozy. We've had some nice warming soup, and we're just gonna have a bit of a relax now this evening. We're gonna be watching the Beatles Get Back documentary. We've been working on that for a little while. It follows the Beatles as they were recording Let It Be and doing the rooftop concert as well. And I'm gonna make myself a little bit of hot chocolate. Do any of you know this? Abuelita, it's like a Mexican hot chocolate. I love this stuff. It's got a little bit of cinnamon in there as well as the nice yummy chocolatey goodness. So I'm gonna make myself a little hot chocolate. We're gonna just hang out and have a relax before we get to bed. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye.